Huh, I'm glad I threw one more. It's a little smallie, I think. Yeah. Little fella. Alright. Faith in the fishing god. Restored. Yeah. Ah, no, I'm sorry, buddy. Alright, he's gonna make it. Well, alright, cool. I actually just saw him swim up through the rocks there. He made it back. He made it back. That was not graceful, but I'm happy. Not intending on eating them, not intending on keeping them. Therefore, I put them. I didn't see many killdeer last time we came through here, but they're around now. Squirrel. Whoa, what's he got? Dude, he's got something huge. Oh, he's got another squirrel? What was that? Oh boy, I wish I was shooting in 4K. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I think he had another squirrel in his mouth. I could see its tail wrapped around its neck. Okay. Wow. Oh, there's your otter, boys. There they are. 100%. That was an otter. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro, but it's really annoying. But crankbait. Got a fall fish. Almost doesn't have it now. Alright. That's a egged out female. Probably laid them all recently. Real nice skinny. Would have been a decently long fish. But ate the crankbait. I have no idea what I'll have recorded from this, or if any of it will even be able to be pulled off the card at all. But another fish though. Wow. Another fall fish, I believe. Yes, for sure. More of the same. There we go. What is this? A rock bass? Is it my first rock bass of the year? It sure is. I don't think I've caught one of these in a while, but I guess the poor man's crappie, some people call him. That's a little guy, but they're cool looking fish. Ambitious, because that's a pretty big meal for him. No muskrat there. No, he's riding the current. That's really cool. I wonder if that's visible on camera. I'm glad I kept trying. He is. Yes, that's a trout, and it just came off the hook. Beautiful. Boy, am I glad I kept trying. Oh, they're so slimy. Get some water on your gills, bud. Wow, okay, that's why it felt so weird. And then the stupid paddle. Oh yeah, well, I got him. Hook came out in the net pretty much. Oh, he's still, I don't want to hurt him. I don't know how to handle trout, but this one's pretty strong. A beaut. Wow, wow, wow. All right. I'm a trout noob. Beautiful fish though. Let's get you back in. I know they're pretty fragile. Well, slimy too. I don't know where he went. I hope he's alright. Wow. That was really cool. I'm glad I hung out for a while. When in doubt, throw out the spinner. And then get it caught in the nylon in your boat. Little smallie. Oh, it's a rock bass. Big rock bass. Not really big, but I would eat it. Poor man's crappie. A little rough with the hook on him. Wow. Well, that's probably a carp, I guess. Because if that's a fall fish, that's world record size fall fish there. It's a largemouth bass? Confused? About to lose him? Oh man, he had a rough go. Satan? Oh my god. Whew. We're safe, bud. Yeah, I guess that came out of someone's pond or something. I guess they're in here. He's pretty fat. Dummy. Oh. Who's the dummy now? Classic fall fish. Man, I'm sorry. Being a little rough with it. Oh god. It's wrapped up in the line too. There we go. Yep. About your average size out here, I'd say. Well, upper average. Whatever, it's a fish. Goofy fish. Well, that might have been deer. They're making all that market. I busted his face pretty bad. Sorry. I think that was a red-tailed hawk. Decent. He might be about 2 pounds. Nah. Like 1.5. Feisty. Got him right through the top of the face. Not a bad one. Not mad about it. Let's get you back, bud. Thanks for the bite. Pretty good for the jig, honestly. Millards.